Hello. Welcome to Hexallt Dutch School. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the Dutch vowel combination of O and U. Together, they form the diphthong O. That means, two vowel sounds glide together to form one smooth syllable. This sound appears in many common Dutch words. It is similar to the English au in cow, but the Dutch version is shorter, softer, and more controlled. Let us break down the pronunciation. Step 1. Start with O, like in the English words go or open. Your mouth is slightly open. Your lips need to be relaxed. Step 2. Without pausing, glide into OO, like in the word book. As you glide, your lips begin to round, and your tongue moves slightly back. The full sound is a smooth glide from O to OO. It is important to say this as one continuous sound, not two separate syllables. Let us practice. Listen carefully to the sound. Repeat after me. O. 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 Now, let us try this sound in some real Dutch words. Hout, which means wood. Goud, which means gold. Fout, which means mistake. Bouw, which means construction. That is how you pronounce the Dutch diphthong. O. Well done. Keep practicing, and come back to this whenever you need. See you in the next lesson. Bye.